Yan ay para maagapan daw ang pagkalat ng sakit. Iminumungkahi rin na tapusin na ang klase o otomatiko nang ipasa ang mga estudyante ngayong school year.
Breaking news tonight, the deadliest day yet of the coronavirus outbreak.
Planes from Wuhan, China will soon land in San Antonio.
Total COVID-19 cases in the Philippines now nearing 242,000 as health officials confirmed 3,281 new infections.
na ang COVID-19 cases sa bansa. Base sa
President
DOH data
Rodrigo
ngayong
Duterte has
4
approved the
p.m.
extension of the enhancement of
Antonio.
the
The Center for
Centers
Disease Control and Prevention said Lavender Airspace is one of 4 locations nationwide where planes will arrive with passengers headed for quarantine.
COVID-19 cases
The quarantine
in the
order
Philippines now
begins on the
nearing
day the flight left Wuhan and
242,000
lasts for
as
up
health
to 2
officials
weeks.
confirmed
CDC says it
3,281
believes that the immediate risk of coronavirus exposure has
President Rodrigo Duterte has approved the extension of the enhancement of
contain the virus to a place of origin and eliminate the risk to other large populations of people. Meanwhile, they're waiting for CFO.
In the first year of COVID-19 pandemic, global prevalence of anxiety and depression increased by a massive 25%, according to a scientific brief released by the World Health Organization. Nature has a calming impact on reducing anxiety and depression. Spending time in natural environments can enhance mood by increasing serotonin levels, which are linked to feelings of happiness and well-being. The combination of fresh air, natural light, and calming effect of nature can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Moreover, engaging in activities like walking, hiking, or even just sitting in a serene natural setting can distract from negative thoughts, promote relaxation, and improve overall mental health.